Okay, testing a 71 to 73 Datsun 240Z turn signal switch. The first thing I'm testing on the multimeter is the high-low beam switch. So right now it's in one position, and then as you can see it's on. I pull back on the lever, it goes off. Pull back again, it goes on. Pull back on the lever, off and on. So then I'll switch to the other side of the high-low beam switch. It's currently off. Pull back on the lever, it's on. Oops. Pull back on the lever, on, off, on, off. So we have continuity, meaning we have high-low beams that go on and off from regular to high. Next, over here, you can see this is my testing rig for actually setting up the turn signal switch to a light source to see if there's any issues with the lever actuation of the switch mechanism. So the first thing I'm going to test is the turn signal side. Oops, that was on. So as you can see right now, the turn signal is off. Let's go right. Oh, look, we got lights, and there's nothing that needs to be, doesn't need to be jiggled around or anything. Let me go right, or no, actually this is left, and this is right. Left, right. Okay, so that works. Now, one of the features of the Datsun is that the brake lights can also blink when the turn signal is actuated. So, for that, to test that, we have to turn this switch around. So you got the two brake wires that are now being tested. So this is what's happening when the turn signal is being fired. This is what's happening to the brake lights. That's right. No, that's left. That's right. That's left. That's right. That's left. That's right. Okay, so all the lights that have to fire when the turn signal is being actuated work. Now, the next thing I'm going to test is the brake lights. So this wire goes to power in on the brake lights, and as you can see, or maybe it's a little difficult, both filaments in the light bulb are on, because this is what happens when you press your brakes. Both lights on both sides come on. So then if you were to turn on your turn signal while you're firing your brakes, this is what would happen. Can't really see it, but the more how should I say this? I don't know. Okay, let's get a better example here. So that comes off because that side of the brake lights needs to be shut off when the turn signal is actuated, if you're actuating the brakes. Okay, you can kind of see the weaker filament is doing the same thing. You really kind of have to see it. It's kind of hard. Okay, so anyway, that functions. I can attest to its functioning. So that means the brake lights are fully functioning as well in the course of using them as brake lights, and also in the course of using them in conjunction of the turn signal switch. So thank you for your business, and I will be sending these videos to you shortly.